This is the cleanest way to sew a professional double wet pocket on a trouser, and I'll be showing you in 8 minutes how to achieve this. If you are a beginner, please watch to the end. Also like and share this video. The first thing you want to do is to fold the pieces that you'll be using for the double wet pocket into 1 inch. Then you iron it into 1/2 inches. And this is the trouser that we'll be using. I also iron the middle in order for me to know where the center of the pocket will be. So this is the pocketing, which will serve as our pocket for the trouser. Place it under the machine, then you put your fabrics on top. This is the trouser, place it on top and arrange it properly. You can see the center line there. You take the pieces, which is the 1/2 inch that you've cut, you mark it into 5 inches. The center of the 5 inch will be at the dart position. Then you sew 0.25 inches from it, which is the middle. Once you are done with one part, you repeat the same process for the other parts of the pocket. So this means arranging it properly, making sure all the points that are marked tally with each other. Then you also proceed to sew 0.25 inches, giving you a total of 1/2 inch at the center for the opening of the pocket. Once you are done sewing, it's time to cut the pocket open. So you follow me as I cut this one. You open the edge and you notch to the point where the thread starts. So this means notching it on both sides. Also repeat the same process for the other side. Cut it open, then you notch. Please make sure that as you are doing this, you don't cut the material. Always stop at the point where the thread ends. After you successfully cut it open, you proceed to ironing. This will give you a better look and a smooth finishing of the trouser. Right now, this is me ironing, making sure everything is well relaxed. Always be patient while ironing and pay attention to every detail in order for you to have a perfect look at the end. If you've watched to this extent, please drop a like on this video and also drop a comment. You can also share to others who will benefit from this video. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that we can keep growing as a family. After ironing, we'll proceed to the sewing machine to sew the pocket facing. This pocket facing will be sewn on the back of the pocketing. This is done in order to avoid the pocket revealing the white pocketing when you wear the trouser. also sew the two sides of the pocket opening. This is to ensure that the pocket stays intact and firm no matter how hard you pull it. You will then proceed to join the two sides of the pocketing together. So in this video, this is me arranging everything and taking the material out to make sure the only thing that is revealed is the pocketing. Place it at equal length, arrange it properly, then you sew. Repeat the same process for the other side of the pocketing. Once you are done sewing, you trim off the excess. This is to enable you fold the pocketing easily without being bulky. After cutting the excess, you turn it over in order to reveal the pocket. So you turn it over and arrange it properly. Then sew the pocketing at the pocket opening level. This is done to prevent anything you put in the pocket from going upward. The final thing is to attach the very top of the trouser to the pocketing, and you proceed to trim off the excess. So this is a very simple way to achieve a double wet pocket without stressing yourself. So right now I'm just ironing it in order for it to relax properly, and this is the final look after ironing. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also share this video to others who will benefit from it.